Just saying hello after a interesting and I thought it was fun time last night. What you have to do to finish up from last night is go into 1.5 in the first module, and you're going to have a loopback process, I call it. Some of you came in through participation, some of you are coming in through the research. And for those that are researching, you have directions here. And for those of you that are submitting your work directly, you're going to be posting over in the discussion area. And you know I like to use a discussion where everybody has to come up with their post first. I don't want you to copycat. So one way or the other, everybody will be finishing up this last piece in Module 1. After you finish that, you're going to switch into Module 2, again for the end of this week. You're going to hear Jenkins. I can't remember whether he's at Harvard or MIT. I think he's at Harvard, working with MIT, a famous game designer, theorist, smart man. And you're going to see a little bit about him. But then you're going to create your own video challenge. And again, if I recall, this is going to be one where you develop your work, post it, and then don't forget to come back. You know, some of you are very good at posting early, but don't forget to come back because, as you know, I very much value the work that you are sharing with one another. So after learning a little bit of background from Jenkins and you making your own videos explaining how you're going to be thinking about technology, you're going to have a short task. You're going to be going in, populating this form that I have so that you can now take your knowledge, this rather large class. We're going to summarize it and I'll pass it back to you. So this is not a large assignment. Here's your bulk assignment and also your work from either participating or by supporting the endeavors through research, and that will be back in the last module. And either way, I look forward to learning more from you. And remember, you're going to be learning from one another. So thank you and have a great week. And I just remembered one more thing. Don't forget, please, to go in under administration, open the grader, and in there I've given you all substantive feedback. I take a lot of time to do that. So please be reading it. This is my view. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same as yours. So find out how to look at the grade book. I use it for feedback. It's not punitive. And also be sure to see how I work within the discussion boards. I will require you to post. I have decided I am going to jump in periodically with a comment. I'm not going to be replying, though, to individual students. I want you to develop your own voice and get to know your colleagues. So I might make some comments within these sections, but I am not going to be commenting to specific students, not because I don't think your work is comment worthy, but because I want you to develop that voice among yourself. So now I say goodbye finally, and have a good week.